Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 126th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use pseudo class, link, hover, visit and active element. We'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash css a slash link color hot pink a slash semicolon active color gold now we'll end style tag head tag body tag now we'll end a tag b tag and p tag now we'll end body tag and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 126 with the extension HTML and in our files. So now let us check the output. So this is our basic output. You can see the tag there is saying that this is link, and don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing HTML videos.